Expect many wipes.
Loko ka rin, Joji.
I-split nyo na lang jungle kung top or bot. Kaya na bahala dyan.
Sorry, can you go top 10?
Pinangalanan ko pa kayo.
I go top jungle.
Yeah.
Tracking them near turret. Tracking them near turret.
Sorry, main bot 3 go mid. Sorry. That was my bad. Main bot 3 go mid.
May attacker sa bot, ha?
Bot. Team 3 go bot now. Team 3 go bot now. Pop CP.
Number 1 go back to blue. Number 1 go back to blue. Let's fight, guys. Number 1 go back to blue.
Team 3 go bot. Notski. Go bot.
Number 1 go back to blue.
Pero fine, it's okay. Wala akong pasel. Teka, magbubunot pa ako ng floor. Naku, nakakahay. It's a blessing in the sky. Itong pagiging sang mother dear.
Okay.
Kahit ako'y pagod. Ang sarap-sarap ng feeling. La la la
I think bot is fine, right?
I
Bot
see
is
somebody
fine.
in red.
Let's push up. 1, 2, 3 go goose. 1, 2, 3 go goose.
ay pinapelan ko na saan.
Pansinin niyo yung mga nameless, ha? Gilid. I think we can wipe them.
Mula nang mawala, katulong at yaya, trabahong bahay ay pinakarin ko na.
Full person in the nest.
Tayo sa harap ng mga name.
You can back up here. 25 minutes. 25 and 15. 5 minutes.
Team 3, go jungle. Team 3, go jungle.
Ready for boss. That's everybody. I need to fucking save Baba here.
Kaya ang dami man, gawain bahay.
No, it's a bug. I think it's a bug. Oh, really?
Okay.
Pagkatapos ko'y hindi na, feeling ko magsingaw.
Baba.
La 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 la.
Pansinin niyo yung mga nameless, ha?
Okay.
Pansinin niyo yung mga
Okay,
nameless.
back up. Just
Dito kay Pain, tama yan. Tama yung positioning mo, Pain.
Back up. It's fine. Back up.
May ulti ako. Moblade.
Back up.
Sige, mamaya.
Okay.
Trabahong bahay rin ay pinakarin ko
Meron din
na.
ako TV.
Pag-anak ko'y sandosena.
Sige, mamaya. Pag medyo dumami na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wall na. They're gonna go blue.
Stay in blue for now.
Blue tayo. 1, 2, 3. Go blue lang. Pabalik sila lahat. Pabalik.
May wall pa ako.
Yung mga ult niya, set niya. Okay, are we all here?
Yeah.
I think we can... Yeah, insta-wipe close. Go. Go set
Nag-wall
close.
na ako.
Want to stay in blue?
Insta-wipe close.
Kaya pa ako ult.
Kaya to.
He's coming from the three guys. You guys are confused right now.
Hintayin ko mag-anak lang. Mag-ult ako. After.
I need some with guys.
Ubus sila ba? Up, wall.
Ano nyo lang
Bago
sila,
mo,
hindi nyo lang to commit.
Attempting lang.
Kasabi, okay lang ba sila, Brick? Oh, nag-RG pa sila, guys, ha? Nag-RG pa sila.
We're moving three from bot side. One and two bot side. We're going from behind. From behind to the tree. Okay, from behind the tree. Waiting for anyone, yeah.
Team 3 stay.
Bot side,
Papunta
yes,
to
bot
team.
side. Okay, copy, red.
Red 3 ka mo, ha? Red 3.
We have a lot of people here.
Sige. Team 3 stay, ha? Team 3 stay. Stay blue 3, okay?
Dito na kami, Zach. Pero wala pang main ball
Okay,
dito.
now.
GG. Mauna yung defense. Mauna tayo. Tara.
We're going in.
Okay. Ulting, Zach.
Go, wipe.
Five.
Going.
After this, we go back to blue 3 kasi andun na sila.
Nice. Boss.
Okay. Back to blue 3 now. No.
Okay, Zach. Wala ako.
Back to blue 3. Okay, good job, guys.
I'm popping inside you, guys.
Andito na kami, guys. Tara. Putang ina.
Pop your blue, guys. Pop your blue, going in. In 3, 1,
We just need to hold this fucking thing. 15 minutes, 15 minutes is close. Team 3, focus on the jungle. Team 1 and Team 2, hold blue 3 for now.
Tinalo ko pa ang punong nara, kaya naman hindi ito magkasya. Sa puking yun mo, napakaganda
Iwan nila.
pagawa sa'yo.
Sa kanila.
Nasa kanila.
Ipapakita ko lang naman na
back up.
Go back to blue 3. Go back to blue
Get
3.
camp.
Go back to blue 3. Pwede to i-hard depth.
Full 30 sila. Full 30 sa red. Full 30 sa red.
May nandito sa bot side.
Back
Jump,
kayo,
bot side.
dyan.
Oo, tatlo.
Team 3, be ready. Ito.
In,
Team 3, go in na, team 3. Team 3, go in. Oh, fuck, we have one there.
Holy shit, guys.
Wala na yun.
Nice,
Eight na.
nice.
Baba pa.
Sa Linda, go with them.
Ay, die.
Can fucking camp ka na naman.
May rest.
Wait, wala.
Ako dito. Back na.
Yeah. Go back to blue.
Yung surong tops mo.
No, I think we can fight. Come, fight. Fight. We can fight.
Okay. 30 seconds. 30 seconds on jungle. 30 seconds on jungle. Now, disengage guys. Disengage.
Disengage na daw. Sige na. Out. Kinal na nila. Okay na yan.
Contest red.
Gumalaw tayo ng sobrang slight. Team 1, 2, and 3, go back.
Ring pag-remind ko nila.
Jungle, team 3 Team 3, jungle. 3, just go jungle.
Bottom jungle cleared. Bottom jungle.
Get on the roof guys. Just get on the
Okay
roof.
na yung sa top.
Get on the roof.
May papunta sa bot side. Block na yung kita mo sa map.
They have a lot of people. May full 30 sila dito. May full 30 sila.
Ready
Don't
ready
get
mob
wiped,
blade
because in case
for
what they wanna do is gonna wipe our attacking and then go for a fucking get on the roof guys. Get on the roof. We're
Isa lang. Ganda ng hotwood.
Huwag kayo mag-mid.
okay, go for the backline guys. Go for the
Go
backline.
set now. Don't wait for them.
Oh, matay.
Sige guys, Twin Blade ult na 300.
Wala ko may na. Balik ako.
They're charging. Wall.
Kaya nagwala ko na.
Dispatch search ba siya?
Pasabi wipe yung ano Pasabi rin, wipe tayo.
Dito ready.
Uy, na-wipe yung ano, wipe yung defense. Pero just
Pasabi punta na sila blue 3. Rin, lahat sila. Lahat sila. Ang dami ko na sa red 3.
Andito daw sila. May ulti ako. Okay. Ano sila? Block.
Focus on blue guys.
Sige, go.
One and two, focus on blue.
Kahit anong gawin nila dito, din nila makukuha tong blue.
Take it.
Pansin ko yun, mga reserves yung pinalaro nila sa Warzone. Hindi ko kilala yung mga, nila, tao.
Matik yun. 20
Ang
seconds.
dami nilang players,
Well played.
GG.
Ladies.
Hawak niya yung 3. Hawak niya yung 3.
Na ba mag-drive to?
Whatever, move it. Ay, nag-relentless pa ako. Well played.
Kanina pa kami na wipe.
Hindi sila tumatagal Ang weird. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Kasi,
I mean, yung main ball train ni na Joji. Nung kami nila sa Lin Celsi, talagang ang tagal Kahit 10 kalaban namin. Wala ba si